had the thought to check the fuse for that fuel pump because I don't remember it kicking on when I turn the key. Look at what we got here. This whole time. So I'm gonna plug that back in and crank her over, see if she fires. I'm gonna bleed the injectors a little more and see if that helps. At this point, I'm just thinking I gotta be missing something. I gotta look under the hood again. Combination of things. Fuel solenoid shut off, wire was off, and the fuel pump was unplugged. So we got those both back working. Idling a little rough right now. It's probably got some air in the system. I'll idle it up, but she's running. There we go. She's idling a little better now. Not sure if that fuel gauge works. I didn't put that much in there, but it started beeping. Must have been some air in the system still. Idle's a lot better now. Rip, 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 rip. Sounds good. Diesel trucks are fun. Let's get this thing put in the shop. It's diesel fuel on the windshield. Here's reverse.
Everybody stay calm!
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Ooh, I think I forgot to tighten an injector. Got a little bit of fuel down here, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on it for a minute. Can't make this up. I just pulled this taillight off the truck, rewiring the rear end, as you can see, and thought maybe the bulb was broken off inside of it. There's acorns. Oh, and there was a bulb inside. Look at that. Okay, I've got my passenger side harness done for the taillights, so I used 4-wire loom, which is kind of nice, keeps everything together and tight. I used a Deutsch connector on this side. I still gotta just add a plug on the inside there, but basically there's pins. I just one by one test all these wires. I've already got them pinned for the plug end of the Deutsch connector, so we'll get that plug put on there, and then I should be able to plug it in and I should have a taillight right away. There we go, receptacle end of the taillights completed. There's the plug side, quick plug underneath the box. If I ever need to pull the taillight out, I can still do that. But I ended up cutting the wiring here and just shortening it up. I had about another foot. I'm gonna use that for this taillight harness. I got this cleaned up quite a bit, so now I just have this one harness. I've got my trailer brake down here, which I'm just gonna leave alone for the moment because I believe it works. I've got this mess over here. This would have been what was going to the flatbed taillights, I assume. I've got my 4 wires here again. I should be able to reference that side pretty easily, and hopefully that works out. Taillight harness done. I've got an LED for the reverse light. Split loom on there and keep it nice and protected. Goes down through the box. I spliced off of the power and ground 2-prong. That 2-prong is going to go to another plug. That plug will eventually split off into 2 more. Will be for the tailgate and for the marker lights on the fender so that they're separate. If I want to take my tailgate off, I can unplug this and I'm still going to have power going to my side marker lights there. So here's my little piece that's going to go on my main harness. Plug that in right there. It'll split off into these 2. One right there will go to my markers. And I've got another one already plumbed up here for my tailgate. And there we go, we've got tailgate lights. Next up would be the fenders. Test. We are back in the shop with another truck, different truck this time.